Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another video sponsored by BitFunyons here at the BitFunyons channel. We go over crypto analysis. We talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins, just crypto in general. Right now it is 7:12 a.m. Today's Tuesday, February 25th, 2025, and we're looking at the Bitcoin price right now, currently around $89,000. This is pretty crazy. Just the fact that, a couple years ago, price was all the way down here around 20, really 16, which is crazy. In 2022, it was around $15,000, right? This was my first bear market right here. Right now, we are in a bull market. We've endured all this, and that has been pretty crazy. Right now, if we're just looking at it, let's just see how far price is gone. Price has reached close to 600% from $16,000, which is insane, right? Now, recently, we have just experienced a big drop starting yesterday. Around like 7, price broke this mid-level once again, which is around $95,000. Price came all the way down as low as $86,000, and it looks like it's now recovering. As we can see with the previous 4-hour candle, we've had a nice wick all the way down, but price was able to come all the way back up and close here. Now this next 4-hour candle would be interesting to see, like, how price decides to move. If price decides to come up here, mess around a little bit, and then decide to drop, that would be quite bearish. If price decides to get up here, recover this area pretty quickly, get back above this 95K area, or even retest this 92K area, I think, like, if it comes down here and tests, boom, or if it comes above this 95K here and tests here, boom, either of these situations would be extremely bullish in my opinion. This just basically shows that price came lower than our support level here at 92K. It broke here. It shook people out. It's a liquidity grab. It got people believing that price is going towards the downside, which was the case in the short term, but price eventually recovered pretty quickly. What you want to see is something like this, which is a V-shaped correction. In these situations, we have price come down, but it also recovers very quickly, as quick as it came down. So that's kind of what you want to see in a situation like this, in order to stay and continue bullish. Again, we are at $89,000 right now. We want to see price again reclaim this area, and we also have the 95K area that we want to see price get above as well. But until that happens, we are chilling. I'm looking at a possible buy right now somewhere in this area, just because we broke this previous swing low. And a lot of people may be thinking like, oh man, Bitcoin's finna crash, Bitcoin's finna go down pretty low. But if I look at the fear and greed index right here, we can see that the fear and greed index is at a 25, which is showing extreme fear. And that's what I like to see as an investor, because that means a lot of people are scared right now. People are scared that crypto's finna crash, crypto's finna fall, and that's where whales hop in and they go ahead and they buy it up. The same as the opposite. When you see extreme greed, like over here in this area, over here in this range, that's when retail gets extremely happy. It's like, oh yeah, Bitcoin's going up, it's going to the moon. You hear multiple people talk about crypto and whatnot. That's when smart investors, they get out, they take their profits, and they're good to go. So right now, Bitcoin is at a key spot. We want to see how it's going to react within the next couple of hours. If you look at the S&P, you can see that what was yesterday, Monday came back down and is testing our support area in between say $5,900 and $6,000. We want to see this area definitely hold and see if we can recover back up. If we can stay above this box right here, I think that'll be also extremely bullish, and it will help Bitcoin's case. Right now, if we scroll down to Ethereum, we can see that we rejected this 2800 area multiple times. Like, shoot, this whole area right here, I don't even want to really count the times because it's been so many times it's tried, but in total it's been around a month, approximately 21 days of just testing this area. And once Bitcoin dropped yesterday, we got a big bounce, or not a big bounce, a nice sizable drop, which resulted in around an 19% drop yesterday. I think price is clearly at a good buy zone once again, just off the simple fact that you see how large this wick was. We were able to recover, but we really didn't take out this low. So if we're able to stay above this low right here, we would be able to, you know, trend upwards a little bit, and then hopefully we can break above this 2800 area, and then we can continue towards the upside. But in the meantime, price in Bitcoin just has to really react well. If it reacts well, then we are in business. If it doesn't, then we are kind of in trouble. That's just really what it boils down to. As my mentor said, shoot, if you can get through a video without using any indicators for real, and just using simple tools such as, you know, a paintbrush, boxes, horizontal resistance, support resistance, and just maybe a trend line, you'll be fine. You'll be good to go. So I can really end the video now, because that's honestly where Bitcoin's at. I'm extremely bullish personally. I just see a lot of potential in this market right now. I don't even think we're really close to seeing the end of Bitcoin's rise just yet, because we're just getting started in 2025. We have broken the previous all-time high, pretty much a year ago, and we've only gotten 57% since the all-time high. Like the last time we broke past all-time high, which was here, we got 270% from the previous all-time high in the bull run of 2021. So if we take that same metric, right, 280%, let's go right here, right, because this is where we broke. 280%, which is here. I can definitely see Bitcoin definitely reaching like a 200K. That's just my personal opinion. It may even go higher. It may even hit $250,000. That's just my personal take on this crypto market, right? Will it do that? We won't know until only time will tell, basically. But from just how long I've been in the market, how I've seen price move and whatnot, how this is essentially my second bull run, really my first full entire bull run. I've had a full bear market. Now this is my first entire bull run. I think that price can definitely see around $250,000. That's where I'm at right now. That's where I'm at with it. But price is looking good in my opinion. Like I said, a lot of people are scared, but the only thing you have to do right now is just keep on trusting your support and resistance. Right now we've broken our support area. Now we're going to our next one, which I had at 88K. It looks like it wicked below that currently. Now if price is able to stay within this range, and I'm able to get some confirmation candles, let's say within the 4 hour and the 1 hour, like I like that 1 hour candle right there. If we're able to stay in this range, then I believe price is gonna be, you know, it's gonna be pretty good. But honestly, that's all I got for today. I'm glad I was able to come on and make a video once again. I'm trying to be consistent and discipline, have consistency and discipline. That's all it is for the rest of 2025, consistency and discipline. And I really need to get that mess that's in this background, because that's ridiculous. But regardless, y'all have a blessed day. It's good to tune back in with y'all once again. I'm gone.